This video is about the Australian Citizenship Test. You will pass the test, inshallah. In this video we will be talking about the government and law of Australia. Subscribe the channel. Australia is a federal parliamentary democracy with 3 levels of government: federal, state, and local. The federal government is responsible for areas such as defence, foreign affairs, and immigration, while state and local governments have responsibilities in areas such as education, health, and transport. The legal system in Australia is based on the English common law system, and the Constitution is the highest law in the land. It sets out the structure of government and the rights and freedoms of citizens. The court system in Australia is divided into federal and state courts, and the High Court of Australia is the final court of appeal. The Australian legal system places a strong emphasis on the rule of law, which means that all people are equal before the law, and the law is applied equally to all people, regardless of their status or background. The legal system also recognizes the importance of protecting individual rights and freedoms, and there are a number of laws in place to ensure that these rights are respected and upheld. In addition to the laws and legal system, the Australian government places a strong emphasis on the values that underpin Australian society, including respect for the freedom and dignity of the individual, democracy, equality, and the rule of law. As such, becoming an Australian citizen not only requires an understanding of the Australian legal system, but also a commitment to these values and the responsibilities that come with being a member of the Australian community. Are you ready for questions and answers? Subscribe the channel and let's start. 1. What is the highest law in Australia? A. The Constitution. B. The Magna Carta. C. The Bill of Rights. D. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights. A. The Constitution. 2. How many levels of government does Australia have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. C. 3. 3. What is the name of the Australian national anthem? A. Advance Australia Fair. B. Waltzing Matilda. C. God Save the Queen. D. We Are Australian. A. Advance Australia Fair. 4. What is the federal capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Canberra. C. Melbourne. D. Brisbane. B. Canberra. 5. How many senators are there in the Australian Senate? A. 50. B. 76. C. 100. D. 150. B. 76. 6. Which court is the final court of appeal in Australia? A. The Federal Court of Australia. B. The High Court of Australia. C. The Supreme Court of Australia. D. The District Court of Australia. B. The High Court of Australia. 7. What is the name of the Australian government department responsible for immigration and border control? A. Department of Defence. B. Department of Health. C. Department of Home Affairs. D. Department of Education. C. Department of Home Affairs. 8. Who is the head of state in Australia? A. The Prime Minister. B. The Governor-General. C. The President. D. The Queen of England. B. The Governor-General. 9. What is the name of the Australian government initiative that supports parents with the cost of raising children? A. Family Support Benefit. B. Child Tax Credit. C. Baby bonus. D. Parenting payment. D. Parenting payment. 10. Which Australian state or territory was the first to grant women the right to vote? A. New South Wales. B. Victoria. C. South Australia. D. Western Australia. C. South Australia. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Wishes you good luck with your Australian citizenship.